Hey guys, Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to be giving a makeover to this end table. So I got this end table from my local thrift store for $3. It is structurally sound and it's in fairly good condition. It just needs some cosmetic help. On the other side, there is some chipped veneer, there's a missing knob, and there's just some scuffs and marks that kind of need to be touched up, and it just needs a good makeover. This top also is, I can't think of the word on what this kind of top is. It's shiny, it's not real wood. What is it called? I can't remember. Anyways, so I've got some plans for it. So for all you wood lovers out there, don't worry, I'm gonna try to save as much wood on here as I can, but I'm gonna use a little bit of paint to touch up and give it a new modern look. So if you'd like to see this end table's transformation, just keep watching. So because I want to save as much wood on here as I can, I'm thinking about doing some sort of fun design on the sides here, because this side is badly damaged and I had to fill it in. To restain it, this wood filler is just not gonna stain as the rest of it would. So I'm gonna have to paint this. So I'm thinking about doing some sort of like cool design, leaving this top wood and painting this bottom black. Also doing the same with this, because I had wood fill this, painting the front black, leaving this inside wood, and then doing a similar design on the side, and then of course painting this top. So I'm going to try to figure out some sort of design for this, and then I'm going to get to painting. And if this doesn't end up working out, I can just go ahead and paint this all black and it'll be fine. But I'm just gonna give it a try. Now's the time for a moment of truth and to take off this tape and see how it looks. So now that I have the tape off, I've decided that I want to paint these trim pieces black as well. The top being black with these knots just don't look right to me. So I'm going to just real quickly paint these black. And also, I'm going to do something a little crazy. Not really, but along where I did the slash on the black, the front trim just, I feel like needs to be painted black where it is. So I'm going to do that as well. Well, here it is. I absolutely love how this turned out. This is actually the first time that I have gone black with any of my furniture flips before, and it is stunning. If you're not already a subscriber to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys in a later video. Bye.